Good morning.
Good morning.
How are you this morning?
I'm okay.
Okay, just okay. And
Yes.
how was your night last night?
I watch TV.
Oh, good. And what did you watch on TV?
Mm,
You watch a
cartoon.
movie or what?
Cartoon.
Oh, cartoons. I like cartoons. What cartoon did you watch?
Mm,
What was it about?
Oggy.
Oh, okay. And that's pretty interesting, isn't it? You like that. How about for breakfast? What did you have for breakfast?
Great.
Bread. And when you eat bread, do you put something on the bread to eat it, or how do you eat bread? Or just bread by itself?
Mm,
Do you put butter or something sweet like jelly or fruit, or what do you put on the bread? Nothing?
mm, Meat and patty.
Meat. Oh, okay. So
Yes.
you had bread and meat. What kind of meat do you like? Like beef or pork or chicken or.
Mm, mm,
So there's beef, which is like a cow, or
no.
pig, pork. So
Pig.
pig, you like pork. Yeah. Okay. Well, that's good. And what do you drink? Like juice or do you drink water?
Water.
Water. Okay. Very good. Okay, today we have a couple of really easy readings and some quick math. So this is day 11. First one is about Will the Wolf. And what I want you to do today, make it easier, is read maybe 2 or 3 sentences and tell me what you think that is, what it means, what you just read, okay? Just give me
Okay.
an idea. We'll start with Will the Wolf. Will was fed up.
Will was fed up. All he wanted was to do things his way. Why did all the wolves have to do everything together anyway? They ate together, played together, slept together, and walked together everywhere, every day. It was exciting. Will was growing up. He could do things himself now, and he had some really good ideas too. But his mom wouldn't let him try his ideas by himself. Will didn't get it. One day the pack was walking through the woods. Will had an idea that there was food there ahead. But the pack didn't want to go that way. Finally, Will said, "Why do we need a pack anyway? I'm going to go down that path and we'll have plenty to eat. I don't need you guys." The pack did not approve. They said, "Will, you can try going up on your own, but we need to work together in your pack." packs help us survive.
Right. Yeah, what does that mean? What was the problem? Will
Mm,
didn't want to go with the pack, right?
yes.
And so what did he think?
Mm,
He could go by himself? He could do things better alone? That's what he was thinking, right?
yes.
Okay. So let's see what happens when he does that. Will didn't believe them. It's under the
Mm,
picture of the wolf. Second paragraph. Will didn't believe them. He ran off on his own.
Will didn't believe them. He ran up on his own. He ran for
Miles.
miles. He started to get tired and
Tired.
it was getting dark. Usually the pack would all fly a spot together to sleep, but Will had no pack now. He decided to find a cave. When he
Settled down.
settled down to sleep, Will thought sleeping would be much easier with my pack all around me. If some time comes, I'd have them to rotate me. He barely slept that night. In the morning, he decided to go back. Will hoped he could find his pack again. He ran back to where they'd the last been together. As he was running, he smelled the
A deer.
hmm, deer. Will thought the pack would be impressed if I brought a deer for his own. So he decided to hunt on his own. Quietly, he crept through the woods. He took the the deer into clearing. Will looked around where was the deer. Suddenly, something sprang out of the trees at him. It was the deer and those antlers were sad. If his pack were there, they would have him, but Will was alone. He ran from the deer as fast as he could. After a while, the deer stopped chasing him. Will rested. He started thinking how much easier this trip would have been. With his pack by his side, he would have been able to sleep soundly.
Soundly.
Soundly. He would have been warmer with them all around him.
Right.
He would have been able to take down the deer with his pack by his side. Now Will was just hungry and lonely. He re-
Realized.
realized realized his pack had been right. Pack to help them survive. Will knew that now and was determined to find his pack and work hard to help them as much as they have him.
Okay, very good. So in this story, what was the problem? Will thought what? Did he think he was better to be alone?
Yes.
Well, how did that work? Was that a good idea or not a good idea?
Good idea.
You thought it was a good idea? But remember, he's alone. He's sleeping by himself. No one protect him. So now what? He can't sleep all night, right?
Yes.
And then remember, he sees this really, really big deer. And the deer has a lot of antlers. And so that's a problem. He's alone, right? Okay, so let's go to the next one. Real short story.
How to make ice cream. Do you like ice cream? Maybe you always buy it at the store or from an ice cream shop. But did you know you can make your own ice cream at home? First, gather your materials. You will need milk, sugar, and vanilla as the
Ingredients.
ingredients for the ice cream. You will also need some other materials to turn those ingredients into ice cream. The other materials are to zip top, lactic base, ice, and salt. One of the zip top plastic bags should be larger than the other. You might also want winter gloves or a towel to use later on. In the smaller bag, combine 1 cup of milk, about 2 tablespoons of sugar, and 1
Half.
1 hectare teaspoon of vanilla. Plus the top of jelly. Use your hands to squeeze the bag to mix the ingredients. Shake the bag in the larger bag. Combine between two
2 to 4 cups.
2 or 4 cups of ice, about 1
Half cup.
1 head
Oh,
cup,
I'm sorry, 1/3 cup of salt.
1/3 of cup, 1/3 cup of salt. Put the smaller bag into the larger bag, making sure in the small bag is still closed. Tightly close the larger bag. If you want to keep your hands warm, put on the winter glove or cram the larger bag in a towel. Shake the bag for at least 5 minutes.
Right.
Check a peek at the smaller bag to see if it looks like ice cream or if it's still liquid. If it looks ice cream, then you can take the smaller bag out of the larger one. Pour the ice cream into the bowl. and inside your teeth. If it still looks clean, check the bag for a few more minutes before indulging. When you feel successful, add making lean vanilla ice cream. Experiment with adding different ingredients to make your own delicious flavors.
Okay, very good. So just take a quick look at the questions. Just give me a short answer, what you think.
What is the short story mostly about? Astrid.
Yeah. Okay, the other questions don't make sense. So let's just go down to page 5. Part 1.
I don't know.
Okay, let's go to the last page. Part 1, the basic idea of what is meant by mathematical term.
The basic idea of what is meant by mathematical term set is to be studied in
Mathematics.
mathematics. The word set is due to designate a particular collection of person, objects, or numbers in the mathematics. A collection of numbers is called a set. The collection of numbers 3, 5, and 7 is called a
Set.
set. Any collection of numbers is called a set. The collection of numbers 2, 4, 6, and 8 is called a
Set.
set of numbers. The collection consisting of 5, 9, 11, and 15 is called a set of numbers.
Very good.
A collection of numbers person of objects is called a set. The collection of numbers of Vietnam
Parliament.
Parliament is the
Set.
set of all numbers of the Parliament. The collection of all desks in your schoolroom is the set. All of the desks in that room. The students in your school as a collection of persons is the set of students in your school.
Okay, so the next one says braces or brackets. We call those, left one is open bracket, the right one is closed bracket. Okay?
Okay.
Braces. Yeah, go ahead.
Write this set of numbers 3, 5, 9, and 15 in bracket.
How would you write that? Open bracket, 3, 5, 9, 15, closed bracket, right?
Yes.
How about the next one?
Write a set of numbers 9 and 5 using bracket.
Okay, how would you do that? open bracket, 3, 5, 9, 15, close bracket.
Yes.
Okay. How about the next one?
Open bracket. Cat and dog. Close bracket.
Okay, good. And the last one?
Open bracket. 13, 19, 57, and 93. Close bracket.
Very good. Very good. Okay, well, that's everything. Good job today. Do you have any questions for me?
No.
No? Okay. Very good. See you tomorrow.
Goodbye. Thank
Aloha.
you.
You're welcome.